Automation commands from various Adagio programs can be chained together and run from a single batch file. If you wish to run multiple automation commands in succession, either from the same program or from different Adagio programs, you can set this up in Adagio Console from the Maintenance menu and generate batch files, or from the toolbar button as well. From here, all of the different automation commands from the various Adagio programs are listed here. To set this up, first select the folder to which you want to save the batch file. It is defaulted from the console global options, but you can choose to select a subdirectory of the SoftTrack automation directory. Give the batch file a name, and select the single specific company for which the generated automation batch file will be run for. Assign the user that will run all of the functions in case security would prevent one or more functions from being run. Then select the appropriate automation files. If you want to remove an automation file from the selection list, you can double-click or use the arrow to remove it. Select the appropriate one and reorder the automation files in process. If you use Adagio ePrint, you can choose to modify and create a PDF that logs all of the automation logs in a single file, and either email it or simply open it in your PDF viewer. If any batches along the way run into an error, you can choose to run a different batch file on error. And you can choose to have all of the Adagio programs run minimized while the automation is in process for all of the different automation commands. When you're ready to create the batch file, click the Generate button. There are a couple of confirmation messages just to warn you about particular setups. Every automation command should have a quit, and it will give you the opportunity to add one from here if in fact one was not defined when the automation command was created in the application. If you choose to use the PDF logs, then you would choose to have them append so that they would all be logged together. And if it happens to find that overwrite was defined, it will just warn you that you probably should have append to PDF for all of the logs except for the first one. We'll just continue from here just to generate the file, and it will create the batch file in the selected directory. From here, then you can run the batch file in the normal way in order to perform the automation. Run all your automated commands in a single click of a batch file. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.